We'll guide you through how to add your card in Apple Wallet. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having it added to your Apple Wallet is extremely convenient because you can then go and pay for things at the card machine by using your iPhone. You don't need the card itself, and you can also go and pay for things on websites as well with it. So we're going to guide you through this step by step on how you can go and add it and go and start using it. Make sure it's a full guide so you don't miss anything important. So to go and get started, you want to come onto your iPhone home screen and you want to go and find the wallet app and go and tap on it. Now what you need to do is you need to go and head to the top right and you'll go and find the plus button and you want to go and tap on it like so. It'll then open up this screen here, add to wallet. It says keep all the cards, keys and passes used every day in one place. So we're going to go and select debit or credit card like so. Now it says no need to reach for cards when it's time to pay. So we can go and press continue. So now what you can do is go and place the iPhone on the back of the card. So I'll just go and get my card in now and I'll go and place it on the back like so, and it's going to go and read it. Now, if that option doesn't work for you, I'm going to guide you through how you can still go and add it manually. Don't worry. So alternatively, I could press the cross here. I'll press continue. And what you can do is always press enter card details manually, and you can then go and enter in your card number, and you need to go and add in the other numbers it goes and asks for. In this case, I will go and just go and hold it on the back like so, and wait for it to go and contact the card issuer. You will then need to go and enter in the card PIN to add it to your wallet. So I'm going to go and type that in now. Then you can go and press the tick, and now it's going to go and wait, and then you need to make sure you read and agree this. I've already read this before, so I'll press agree in the bottom right, and now we can go and wait. Essentially what's happening is it's going and contacting your provider, so you will just need to be patient. As you can see, the card has now been added to the wallet. We can also go and add it to the other devices here as well I have, so I'll go and press add like so at the bottom. Now we will need to go and do a verification here. So I'm going to go and verify with the app, so I can press continue. And then because I have it on my other phone, I'll need to go and do that there. You can see here, I've got this pop-up, and so I can go and press add to Apple Pay. When it's complete, you'll go and get a pop-up, and you can then go and close this, and I'll close this again, and I can then tap on it, and now it's ready for pay. So what you can then do is when you're on anywhere on your phone, you can double tap the side button and it should then go and open up. You can do Face ID and then hold it near the reader. If that doesn't go and open for you, what you can do is come back to your settings. You need to go and scroll down and go and find the option for your wallet and Apple Pay. Press Apple Pay defaults and you want to go and switch on double click side button. That's it. If you found this useful and you successfully set it up, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.